need some food real fast, fast snacks.
On today's episode, frozen White Castles from the store. White Castle is America's oldest hamburger chain, started in 1921 in Wichita, Kansas. Today, there are about 400 locations, but none in Seattle. Today's episode takes me to Fred Meyer in Ballard, where I'm picking up a 6-pack of frozen sliders for $7.99.
Welcome, valued customer.
And a jar of Vlasic pickles for $3.29. And I already have mustard at home.
Place your item in the bagging if you have your shopper's card.
For costs, it gets an 8 out of 10 stars, meaning it's a pretty good deal. Ah, White Castle sliders. The sliders are wrapped in sets of 2, like a happy couple. Aww. All you have to do is remove them from the wrapper, put them on a plate, and wrap them in a paper towel, like this. Bottom buns up. Now it's off to the microwave for 40 seconds. I bought some before that had freezer burn, which wasn't cool. Hasn't happened in a while though. Flip them over for another 40 seconds. For some reason, they don't include pickles, a staple of their flavor in my opinion. With 15 seconds left, I placed 2 pickles on the plate. That way they're closer in temperature to the sliders. For speed, this gets 10 stars. You're supposed to let them sit in the microwave for 1 minute.
Who can wait that long?
I like a little mustard, with the pickle of course. On a scale of 1 to 10 stars, 10 being super easy and 1 being super hard, this gets 10 stars. And there you have it. Easy to heat and fun to eat. Just like the packaging says. These frozen sliders aren't as good as the real thing, but they're good enough for me to recommend to any White Castle fans who don't have the luxury of a real location. Eat them both or share with a friend. What do you think of the frozen White Castle sliders? Comment to let me know.
I need some food real fast, fast snacks.